Sharon, and it is Fairy Garden Thursday. And this is the little garden I made last week. So if you want to watch the video, it's there in my playlist. So this week I have this little container, and it's just a lantern that I'm supposed to put a candle in. But I put this little basket in. I got both of this thrifting. Probably paid about $1 each for whatever. And this is metal. And this is a little wicker basket. And so this is what I'm going to create my little fairy garden in today. I have lots and lots of containers. And so when I started this series, I decided I need to use up these containers and get them out of my craft room so I can get more. Anyhow, and then I'm going to sell them. So we'll have to find some stuff and get this going. So like I said, it's Fairy Garden Thursday. It's hosted by Grandma Sandy, and her co-hosts are Barbie Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden, and myself, Sharon Shornagle. And there's lots of other people who do fairy gardens as well. You just click on Fairy Garden Thursday and you will see them. Okay, so now I'm going to go dig through my stuff and see what I want to put. See how I want to do this little basket. I have a few ideas. Okay, let's go find some stuff. Okay, I dug around and I found a few things. I wanted to kind of put a roof on here. So I found these 2 pieces of bark that I had in my stash. And I'm just gonna put hot glue on the edge and see if I can get them to stick on the wire. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use this as the front. And then this piece I'm going to put back here. Just glue it on the wire. I think I'll put the glue on the wire and see if that works. Oh, maybe not. Oops, got to push my glue stick in. Okay, my glue gun is nice and hot. And of course, glue's dripping down. Let's put some on each end of this so it can stick to the other one. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about this stuff going down. Try and keep my hand out of the way. I always get my hand in the way. So the handle can still go up. So they can still hang it if they like. Okay, that's the start. Now, I'm going to put some moss in the gaps because I like the look of moss, and I think it just helps it look more like a fairy garden or a little fairy house or whatever you want to call it. Let's just put some stamping on my cord. Put some glue here. Okay, I sped this part up where I'm putting the moss on the roof. I have my window open, and every time a car goes by, it makes a huge noise. Anyhow, thank you for joining me and watching my video. I sure hope you subscribe. Okay, let's get back to the video. And I'm going to use this fairy. She is playing a violin. Isn't that fun? So she's going to stand in the basket and play the violin. So I am going to glue her in there before I put anything on or around, because it's easier. Okay. I wonder if I should put her on a little stand or something so she's up higher. Let's put her in here. Okay. Yeah, I think she needs to stand on something so you can see her better. Okay, I have this little board here that we can glue in here. And where'd my baby go? There she is. And we can stand her up on that. I don't think that's too high. I think you can see her pretty good. Okay, come here, baby. I think I like this idea. I did bring a couple of these little logs out, but I think that is just the right height, and I think it's the easiest thing to put in there. So, I'm going to put lots of glue on here. Try and get it in there without burning my fingers. Okay, let's put our violinist on here. Now we want her to look. Okay, this is the front. This is the front. So we don't want her facing the back, we want her facing the front. Okay, that's where we want her to stand. Right there. Get my hand out of the way. Right there. She will be good right there. And I'm going to fill the basket with moss. Well, we're speeding it up again because this part is important to see, but it's not so important that we take regular time to see it. Anyhow, I do like to put moss in my fairy gardens. It just makes them feel more like a garden to me. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I know I am. And if you're new here, hello, 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 and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped to watch my channel. And hello, regular members. Soft moss all the way around. I think I'm going to put pretty flowers around her feet. I just think that would look nice. Let's dig in here and see what we've got. Okay, I've got a whole bunch of these. Scissors and snip those off. Okay, I've got a whole stem of flowers here. And I'm just cutting each individual flower off so I can lay it around her feet. And I think they'll look very pretty. Well, here we go again in fast speed. Don't know what I'm doing there. Oh well. Oh yes, getting some tweezers and stuff, because I'm really trying hard not to burn my fingers and get my hands in the way. So I thought maybe tweezers would help. Anyhow, we'll get these little flowers all around her feet. And spoiler alert, it does look very cute. So, like I said before, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. And I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and tell me where you're from. It is very important for my channel to get pushed out if people comment and like my videos. And all my regulars that watch every week, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you, as I've said before. And I do like making my little fairy gardens. They are fun. I like to create. Okay, let's see what happens now. And I like the basket. Oh, sorry about the scraping sound. I like the wicker basket. I'm not going to cover that up. I think it's really pretty. And we've got the handle.
Well, I don't know if you can see the smoke or not, but I'm thinking, what should I do?
So now I want to do something with a few of these and all around here and maybe in here. Not sure. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have these beautiful pink flowers and I'm going to put them, yeah, or maybe up here. Let's put them up here. Let's go around here and put them on the roof. I think that will look the nicest. I'm just gonna have to stick them in there.
Okay, I sped this up quite a bit because I really had to hold those flowers on there for a while to get them to stick to the wire and to the wood. I had to squish them on there, and it took quite a while to do that. So I thought, well, in the video, I'll just speed it up. Tell me what you think. Do you like it when I speed stuff up on this part? I don't know. I think it lets you see what we're doing, but you don't have to sit and wait for the glue to dry. Let me know.
Sometimes you just gotta let things melt. Okay, and the handle still works, so that looks pretty. Now, let's have a look at our little bin. Because we have to, she has to play music to somebody. There's a cute rabbit. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh, there's a little piggy who has a mushroom umbrella right in here. Because I think all fairies should have puppy dogs. And I'm just gonna stick it in right beside her because that's her puppy. Okay, that's cute. That is cute. Now I have this squirrel. I don't know if he'd stick on here and stay or not, but it should be fun if he did. Well, let's try it and see. Let's try it and see if he can be on there firm enough to be crawling up the... Oh, that seems to. It doesn't look too messy. Now I have 3 of them. Where'd the other one go? Yeah. We'll put him back there, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on his tail because it will stick to the basket. Where's my tweezers? Okay, get a hold of the head. And we'll stick them back there. There. There we go. Okay. Yep, sometimes they're kind of hard to get in there. He's kind of peeking out behind the... Should I give this a chimney? Sure, why not? Let's give the roof a chimney. Oh, could put a turtle. Well, let's stick the turtle in there. Why not? It's just a teeny tiny turtle. Maybe he came up from the pond just to hear the fairy play the fiddle. And then he's not very noticeable. Okay, I think that's pretty cute. But I think I'd like to do a little something along here, but I'm not really sure what. Maybe if I had some twine or ribbon or something. They glue very good. I might. Let's try it. Never hurts to try. I know people like lots of flowers and stuff usually when I make my fairy gardens.
Okay, there's another one all sped up, and I think it works pretty good, just to show and give you an idea of how I place the flowers in. I did one on each corner and then I filled in the middle. And I have several little flowers, so it works out pretty good for me. I get these flowers from Michael's, and they come in a package, and they were, I think, $10 a package Canadian, but I usually have two for the price of one, so it works out to about $5 a bag.
There's a pink one. And I think that's good. Let's hold her up and have a look. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, she's done. Here's our sweet little fairy playing her violin, and the squirrel is running up to the top. And there's another squirrel sitting up here, and they're going to sit up there and listen to our fairy play her violin. And her little stage is decorated with flowers and bark. And she has her little puppy dog with her. And they're sitting in a nice soft moss bed with pretty flowers. And I imagine it smells wonderful. And there's our other little squirrel just smiling, enjoying the violin music. And there's flowers around the bottom of the little candle holder. And that's our fairy garden for this week. I hope you enjoyed watching. And thanks, Grandma Sandy. And don't forget to watch our other two collaborators, Barbie Daly, and Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden. Okay, we'll see you next time. My next video is Sunday Home Reset. Lots of fun in that video. Cleaning and organizing. Thank you. Bye.